Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. We're going to talk about protein quaternary structures. But before starting, I want to tell you in more detail what we're about to learn. So, we will talk about the key aspects of protein quaternary structures. Then we will talk about some examples of these proteins, including hemoglobin and ATP synthase. And afterwards, we will talk about their significance. So, let's get started. Protein quaternary structure refers to the arrangement of multiple protein subunits, individual polypeptide chains, to form a functional protein complex. While some proteins consist of a single polypeptide chain, remember they are monomers, many proteins are composed of multiple subunits that assemble together to perform specific biological functions. The quaternary structure of a protein complex plays a crucial role in its stability, activity, and regulation. Understanding protein quaternary structure provides insights into the mechanisms of protein function and interactions within biological systems. Let's see now some key aspects of protein quaternary structures. So one of them is assembly of protein subunits. Protein subunits come together through non-covalent interactions, such as hydrogen bonds, and hydrophobic interactions as well. The assembly of protein subunits is often driven by complementary surfaces on the individual subunits, allowing them to form stable complexes through specific binding interactions. Then another key aspect are oligomeric states. So, protein complexes can exist in different oligomeric states, ranging from dimers, which are two subunits, to higher order oligomers with multiple subunits. The oligomeric state of a protein complex is determined by the number and the arrangement of its subunits and can influence the protein's biological function and regulation as well. Another key aspect is symmetry and stoichiometry. So, protein complexes can exhibit various types of symmetry, including cyclic symmetry, dihedral symmetry, and helical symmetry, depending on the arrangement of subunits. On the other hand, stoichiometry of a protein complex refers to the ratio of different subunits in the complex and can vary depending on the specific protein and its biological function. Then we have that quaternary structures have, of course, certain functions. So, the quaternary structure of a protein complex is critical for its biological function and activity. Protein subunits within a complex may interact with each other to form active sites, binding sites, or allosteric regulatory sites, allowing the complex to perform specific biochemical functions. Protein quaternary structure can also influence protein stability, solubility, and interactions with other molecules in the cellular environment. Let's see now some examples of protein quaternary structures. Let's start by hemoglobin. It is a classic example of a protein with quaternary structure. It consists of 4 subunits, 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains, each containing a heme group responsible for binding oxygen. The assembly of these subunits into a tetrameric structure allows hemoglobin to efficiently transport oxygen in the bloodstream. Then another example is ATP synthase. So it is a multi-subunit enzyme complex found in mitochondria and chloroplasts. It consists of multiple subunits arranged into a rotatory motor-like structure. The quaternary structure of ATP synthase enables it to catalyze the synthesis of ATP from ADP, an inorganic phosphate, during cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Then another example are virus capsids. So many viruses consist of protein capsids, which are complex protein shells that enclose the viral genome. Capsids are often composed of multiple copies of one or more protein subunits. The quaternary structure of virus capsids provides protection for the viral genome and facilitates the infection of host cells. Now let's see the importance of protein quaternary structures. So, understanding protein quaternary structure is essential for deciphering the mechanics of protein function, regulation, and interactions within biological systems. Protein complexes with specific quaternary structures play critical roles in cellular processes, such as enzymatic catalysis, signal transduction, DNA replication, and immune response. Knowledge of protein quaternary structure is also important for drug discovery and design, as many therapeutics targets involves protein-protein interactions within multi-subunit complexes. Well guys, this is all for this lesson. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!